Hello? I will try to explain to you in English how this machine works and what its capabilities are. Starting from the buttons, this is the on-off switch, this is the fuse box, this is the place where we charge the battery of the machine, and this is light indicating the condition of the battery. The battery is a rechargeable one and doesn't need replacement at all. It lasts about 20 hours and it needs charging every other time when this light starts emitting slow light. From this side, this machine is built with a capability for gold, the red light, silver and voids. These machines can be built if somebody orders them with more metals, or it can detect all the metals if it ordered it this way. This is the switch which changes the capability of the machine to detect gold, silver or voids or other metals if ordered this way. Now in the front there are two antennas which are the movable ones. We extend them all the way, and then the small one we extend halfway. Once we do that, we take the position where we want to search the area. We take the position, we don't move our legs, and the machine is ready for searching. We point the machine down, we turn it on, we see the laser down, we balance it real good. This system should be parallel to that and parallel to the ground. And then once we have the machine ready, pushing the trigger under the machine, and while the system is in order, meaning that it's parallel to the small antenna and parallel to the ground, push the trigger under the machine and we are ready for searching. This is the way to work the machine. Once the machine finds the gold, where the gold is there, it starts and makes a certain noise. Once it made the noise, we cool the machine, we stop it, and the machine by itself searches where the gold is and points towards the gold. Now, once we detected the gold, or this way, let's do it with the actual target. We turn on the machine, we balance the machine, push the trigger, and we start searching. Once the machine finds the gold, once it finds it, we stop the machine. Then it starts searching left and right and point towards the gold. That's where the target is. This is straight the target. Now, we change the position, we go a couple meters left or right and do the same thing. Searching, find the target, crossing the other line. We wait a little bit, the machine plays a little bit left and right and point towards the target. That's where the target is. The two crossings of the laser is the target. Now, how we find the depth of the target, how deep it is down the ground. We have here this box with this wire. This wire, make it show. This wire goes up to 6 meters if the target is up to 6 meters. Here. Once we find where the 0 point is, where the target that we're searching for is, then we can find how deep is in the ground. It's very easy to do that with this device here. This is a black box with a wire which we extend up to 6 meters. It's not necessary to extend it 6 meters if we know that the target from information is 1 meter, 2 meters. Then we put it 3 meters away. And this wire, we can put it up to 6 meters because the capability of the machine is 6 meters down. It goes down. Now, if we put this wire the way it is, not touching the ground. One device is there and the other device is there. We turn on the machine, balance it, put the same object like the gold, and then we start pushing the trigger, push the trigger, and then we go this way on the wire like that. Once we get left turn, the point from here to the black box there is the depth of the target. Καλύτερα να το κάνουμε. We find the target. Then it's very easy with these devices and this wire to find how deep in the ground is the target. Now we know that the target is in that box there. We put one box there on top of the target and the other box in any other direction. Now we turn on the machine. We balance it on top of the wire. The wire is 30 centimeters in front of us. Balance the machine, put the object that we want, we know that there is gold in this case, and we go sideways towards the target. This way. Once we get a left turn, in front of us the wire, from here to here is the depth of the object. In this case, the gold is about 1 meter down, here. That's how we find it, and this method is accurate to plus or minus 5 centimeters. In general, this is the general usage of the machine. It's very easy to operate. The only thing you have to be careful with is the balance of the machine. Once you balance the machine, you should know if there is gold or any other metal. With the adjustment that we made, it's gonna find it for sure. Now, if you have in one place gold or smaller quantities of gold or smaller quantities of physical deposits of gold, in order to find out if the gold is big quantity, is once you make the search. In order to determine if the target is valid, it's a quantity, is man-made, and is not physical quantity, it's very easy to do that by turning on the machine. You know where the target is, the 0 point, you found its depth. Now you have to find out if actually there is gold there. Now you walk towards the gold, you push the trigger, and you get a left turn on top of the target. Once you do that, go back again 2-3 meters, lower the immovable antenna, lower this antenna, and do the same thing. Go and watch the machine how it operates. If the machine it operates identically with an open antenna, then that means you have a gold there. If you lower the antenna and the machine changes the time that it reacts, then there is no gold there, it's just something else. This is the way to operate the machine. You have to be careful with this procedure, and then this machine is maybe the best around.